Hi everyone, today I'm going to have this parental informants presentation and I am Wayne. So for describing the case that I have asked my practicum school mentor, the background is I will call the children as child 8 and her family is from Egypt and she is in a small family and she is a single child in the family. Child A is always pay fully attention in the lessons and willing to communicate with others. She always have a good behavior at school and she is really happy in school. She like to talk with her friends and like playing with all of the friends and doing all the tasks that teacher given to her. But the school always complained by this family. Like the recent one, there is a girl accidentally push child A, but it is a really just a simple push that which will happen in every children's in every day. The child didn't tell the teacher immediately, but when she back home, the child aide tell her family, and family suddenly called the teacher and said that there's someone's hit her daughter tummy, hit their daughter tummy, and when they said that they want to complain the school and want to talk with the principals and the child and also the child family who hit their child like hit child A's tummy. And the teacher told me that this is not the only time that these families always complain about the school and they always think that there are someone want to hurt their child. And why a situation is very tough? Because this family always think that they are really different with others. They think that all the children want to bully child A, and they all still believe that there are someone want to hurt their child, and the parents always bring the wrong concept for child A. Um, this like they have a little bit low esteem. Like they also have a case that um in month before, teacher is teaching the word about stinky. They have talked about stinky flowers, stinky socks, and stinky clothes. But child A didn't know, don't actually know what stinky mean. And when she at home and she asked her parents that what stinky means, then the parents start thinking that there's someone call my girl stinky, and they complain to the school and they also ask child A is that is there someone call you stinky? Then child A don't know what to answer. Then she answered to her parents that yes, someone called me stinky. And it also means that like parents will attract the child A's um to answer the expected the things that they expected to listen because they always think that there are someone want to like bully their child. So in these cases, the teachers like always she will always shows the children performance. Like she will show child A performance and her learning progress to the parents, like photo and that child A is playing with her friend and show that she is having a good social skill in the school with her friends. And also ask parents about what's communicate what conversations that they have with child A because teachers want to know that what's actually going on like at home because when they're at home teacher can't control it, so she want to know that what really going on at home and also phone call with the parents and inform the situations with parents, tell them that it's only a really simple pushings and just like also the simple learning daily learning. And also she will invite the parents come to school and talk with the related class teacher, for example like two class teachers and also the teacher with which the the girl who like hit her tummy, the class teachers, and they would talk together. So for suggestions for working with child in this case and like for the similar which have similar situations, and I think teach children that there are if there are any accidents, they need to tell teachers immediately. I need to be gentle to our friends, like always reminding them and tell them that the classroom rule clearly. Like the photo which have a son, and this is one of the activities that I have hold before. So I will stick some rules here and let children to clearly know the rules that we need to have in the classroom, and tell their children that it's okay to tell teachers everything when they meet any problems, like the accidents, like some accidents, and maybe some children have, maybe their friend have hurt them, and also build up some interesting material to support children's learning, like the horoscope I have made with the other student teachers, and also the wheels. And it also can show that children's can um, have a good relationship with their friends when they are playing this game, and we can show it to parents too. And for working with family, like this type of family again, like we can open a chat room for the parents, and they can learn about their child progress and put on the photo works and in a group. And also parents can communicate in a group together and find that, oh, is we can build up a good relationship like parents to parents. And also we can phone call of parents to build up the relationship between parents and teachers. Let the parents know that their child daily performance at school, and it can build the trust between parents and teachers too. And we can invite parents to school to observe their child if they wanted to. And it's also concerned about child's parents' expectation for the child and school. And also we need to always listen to parents patiently, because maybe they have some advice for the teachers. And also we can have a refill day, and we can invite all the parents come in this to the school and see their child progress, and show the parents that what they have done in this film and what their child have learned, and how they interact with their friends too through this day. And also we can invite family to participate in decision making. And this suggestion is shown on NAEYC too. And also we can inform all the special things gonna happen in the classroom. And for example, there are some student teachers coming into the classroom for a month, like this. And the program level effort, first, the anti-bias program, it can bring up the concept of self-awareness, confidence, family praise, and positive social identity. It can help children and family to learn how to interact with family in different backgrounds, and to teach it and every children to appreciate and respect humans' diversity. And the school environment should be bilingual, because there are some children like don't know Chinese, or maybe some children don't know how to speak English. So we need to have this confident environment for the children. And also the program can invite family to participate in the program level decisions. And it's also have shown it in NAEYC too. And also we can have a learning through play and art programs, like children will have a better development through play, and you can let children to discover themselves, to explore their interest through play, and to help children to build their life skill and better development children's social skill and problem solving skills too, to encourage creative and imaginative thinking. Through this program, children can learn how can they like play with others, when they are to play with other, what they should notice and what the rules is, and they can have a better communication with their friends. And also for the problem solving skill, so they will not always like to complain with parents that, oh, there's someone want to hurt them, but they will know how to solve the problems that happen immediately. And also for the community resources, like the natural resources, we can bring children to the nature environment or museum and allow them to touch and feel and see, and bring some natural material into classroom for children to explore by themselves. And the people resources, we can cooperate with parents. We can invite parents into the classes and share with the children about their jobs, or what's their jobs. But the best way for children to learn about our society. And we can invite parents to be a volunteer too. For material resources, we can work with the community business and create a creative learning environment for children. And also we can build up the sense of community within in school too. And also in community, there are some professional talk for parents, like from EDB and different organization, and also some leaflet for parents. It also from EDB and different organization too. And this is my reference page. And this is end of my presentation. Okay.